Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into my channel. So I'm going to be doing a makeup look, kind of get ready with me type of thing. I'm going to be using I think everything is from my project pan. So just a little tidbit of an announcement. We are getting a snowstorm. Not a snowstorm. We're going to get some snow and I don't have Wi-Fi in my house. So I'm going to try to get another video up on Saturday, but if not, I'll just have Friday. And then as soon as the snow is clear, I'll be starting to do my videos 6 days a week. So I hope you guys stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jenny, and I hope you stick around and subscribe. And let's jump right into this. Let's jump right into this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup and you like coffee. So, see you in a bit. Okay, so I am back, and I did go and put on my baby lips already to go and moisturize my lips. I'm not going to be wearing this lip color, but it's just to go and set everything and set everything. It's just going to make my lips nice and soft and kind of tint them a little bit. I already set my eyeshadow because I was recording this video previously and my phone cut out on me, so that's just lovely. So I'm going to be going into my LA Colors single in the shade Nutty, and I'm going to just be putting, I'm just going to scoot this over a little bit. Okay. I'm just going to be putting this into my crease. And this is a nice, really pretty, shimmery kind of color. It's not shimmery, it's just, it has a sheen to it, but it's still very beautiful. I'm just going to be throwing this into my crease. I already set my eyeshadow primer. And I already did do my brows. So they're all done. Now I like to, this color is perfect for just a crease color. If it didn't have a sheen, I would almost recommend it. I would almost recommend you guys using this as a contour shade, but it does have a little bit of sheen, which you can see it picking up right there. I wouldn't use it for a contour shade, but if you like that, if you can maybe for a bronzer or something, I don't know, if you're deep enough. I, of course, I'm not, so that wouldn't really work out on my skin tone, but we're just going to do this eye right in here. Now, have you guys ever tried the Caribou K-Cup coffee and the thing Caribou? Like, it's Caribou brand, but the coffee itself is called Caribou. It's so good. It's like the perfect tasting coffee. And I drink mine completely black. I don't put sugar, I don't put any jazz in it. The coffee I like to drink is normally always straight black. So if I can't drink a black, I ain't drinking it. I very rarely put any cream or anything into my coffee. Even Starbucks. Like if I get Starbucks and I don't want any frappe type of drink or whatever it's called, I'll get a black cup of coffee, and I don't put anything in it. I think it tastes great. So I'm just gonna be taking the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Secret, which is a really pretty. It's a very, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is a very cool toned, like purpley, it's like a grayed out purple. It'd be perfect if you're very, very fair and you can't do like a true taupe because it does pull orange. Sometimes taupes do have a tendency to pull orange on me. This would also be a really good crease color. And the great thing about it is it's 50 cents at Dollar General. Right? It's 50 cents, right? Yeah, I think it's 50 cents at Dollar General. So I'm just going to be taking the same brush and I'm just going to be putting that in the crease on top of that. Just like that. I'm also going to be taking on the outer edge too. I wonder if my man's home. He said he wanted to go to the gym today, so I was like, oh, I might as well call him. Get up early and record a video. Now, I think for my first time doing Project Pan, I think I'm making some headways. I do realize I am using a lot more of my singles than I am my palettes, but I'm definitely going to try and change that. I am going to be doing some wedding-inspired makeup tutorials since me and my man are getting married. We're going to try and get married. We're trying for this April. We're going to see how that's going to be. It's going to be a little family thing, but I'm going to be experimenting with makeup looks and everything on my channel. I'm not going to be like, ooh, I'm not going to say which one. My cousin's supposed to be doing my makeup if everything works out according to plan. And she's not in school. So I'm just going to be taking the LA Colors matte eyeshadow and it's in the shade Forbidden. This would be nice if I can open it. And like I've said, it's like a really pretty dark red. Now it looks brighter on camera. I don't know if I don't know. It's very weird. I'm just going to be taking just a definer brush. And I'm just going to be picking that up, tapping off all the excess. And I'm really just going to be like focusing this on the outer edge. Just to kind of deepen it up. Now, I may need to mix a deeper color since it may look a little wonky. It's not really that dark, but we can make it do. And I'm just going to be taking that fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to be like blending out the edges. I may need to add a little bit more to that side. Whoops. Thank God I didn't go in. I'd make a freaking hole in it. I'd have to start all over with my project pan. Damn near waste some product. Okay, so this color alone isn't really as deep as I was planning it for it to be. I thought it'd be a little bit deeper. We're just gonna have to work with it. I may add another color on top of it and just kind of build up the color. I think that should be okay. And I'm just going on the other side in the same motions in a V and just kind of bringing it in and towards the middle of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to be taking the same brush and I'm just going to be blending everything, not everything, but blending out the edges. And I'm just going to go and do some more on this eye too. That's the one thing I hate about doing makeup. I feel like my eyes are never perfectly even. Oh, I'm just going to be, well, I guess I did it already. Just going to be taking some in the crease a little bit, bringing some upways into the crease. Just to kind of give it some definition. And the one thing I do like about these shadows, I haven't really noticed too much fallout, if not any, on my face, believe it or not. I think I'm going to try and deepen it up a little bit and try and take like this diviner shade and put this also into my my outer V with the same brush that I had that red on. I'm just going to pat that over it, see if it will do anything. Probably not, but that's okay. Or I'll just take, do I have any other deep shades? I'm just going to be putting this like in that really hollow point. Just kind of etching in, maybe to give it a little bit more definition. Just like that. And then I'm going to be going back into that red shade. And I'm just going to be kind of building and pressing the color. I may need to add some pink because it's getting a little bit too red. Like, it's red, but it's getting a little too red. I'm just going to go and clean that up a little bit with my finger, and I will be right back. Okay, so the one thing I kind of hate about doing my makeup in the morning, I'm a type of person, oh, by the way, I'm going to be taking my I'm going to be taking my Secret, and I'm going to be taking my Nutty, and I'm going to be mixing them together just to put in the crease again. I feel like the color got a little lost when I went to go and put in the red, so I'm just going to do that. I don't know if you can hear my cat. He's just getting into trouble. I'm just going to be picking up quite a bit of product. And I'm just going to tap off a little bit of the excess and put that in there a little bit. And just like kind of start blending. Anyways, what I was saying was, I'm the type of person that really does not believe in, like, your coffee goes cold, okay? I don't think you should be putting it in the microwave to warm it up. Now, I could do that with food, no problem. But with coffee, it's just like a whole different story. Like, I'm not even kidding you. I feel I can't do it. I can't gather myself to put my cup of coffee in the microwave and heat it up. Like, once it's cold, that's it. Done. Down the drain. Yes, it's a waste of money, but I will, like, get myself sick if I've done it. And I'm like, what? No. My mother does it. I'm like, ugh. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking the Physicians Formula Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls in Translucent. And I'm just going to be taking this on a finger. Oh, the one thing I hate about weather changing, you get a frog stuck in your throat. I'm just going to be taking that on a clean finger. I'm just going to be putting this into my inner portion of my lid and kind of pressing that on. And just give it to like an illuminating effect. Because I think this look would be really bold if I did something different into the inner part of my lid. So I think this is actually a really pretty look. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just doing random stuff. Just going to be doing that on the other side. Now, it does say this is translucent, but I don't know if this is truly translucent. I feel like there's a little bit more of a sheen. I feel like maybe it's just me, personally, but I do feel like there is like some sort of color here. I'm just going to give you a swatch. I do feel like there is color to it. It does say like it is, but like translucent, but maybe when you blend it out, it just makes it translucent. But on my skin tone, you know Physicians Formula, their color selection isn't very good. So without further ado, I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. eyeliner, which, oh, I hope I actually wind up using up my other one because I prefer this one over my Wet n Wild, like I said in my previous video, which I will link below so you guys can check that out. So I'll just put this off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't, I don't even know what I was going to say. I'm going to be applying my Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner in the color Prose and Bronze. It's a really nice, really beautiful bronze color. And it's very pigmented. Like, it is stunning. I'm just going to be putting that in my waterline. Now, if you got hazily eyes, this would be like almost perfect for you in your waterline. Like, I love this color. I mean, this isn't part of my project pan. Ooh. My eyes are starting to water right now. Ooh. Give that one a break and I'll just move on to this eye. I don't know what it is, but lately my eyes have just been watering every time I do this. I put any sort of color in my waterline. I've noticed like my eyes have just been wanting to water. Okay, so I just applied some mascara and some eyeliner and stuff in my waterline. So that is the conclusion for this video. I'm just going to leave this on for now. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Oh, my brain is just, it's not working right now. But hopefully I can get some bridal makeup looks up soon, and I will see you guys later. Bye!